For garden ant control, use natural, non-chemical methods that target colonies with minimal harm to beneficial wildlife. Start by locating ant trails and nests during warm parts of the day to identify activity zones. You can follow workers from food sources back to entrances and mark them with a stick or stone. For a bait approach, use a borax and sugar mixture, dissolving 1 part borax into 3 parts sugar with enough warm water to make a thick syrup. Place small drops on cardboard or cotton balls near trails but out of reach of pets and children. Ants carry the bait back to the colony, where borax disrupts digestion over time. For immediate knockdown of exposed workers, use a natural pyrethrin spray applied after sunset when bees and other pollinators are inactive. Mix according to product directions and avoid repeated daytime sprays to protect beneficial insects. Reduce nestable habitat by keeping mulch layers under 2 inches, removing stacked wood and leaf piles, and creating a weed barrier with landscape fabric under new beds. Compacting loose soil lightly around foundations can also deter nesting. Improve soil health with compost and balanced organic amendments, which encourage predators and competitors that naturally check ant populations while reducing the need for baits. Finally, maintain consistent garden hygiene by cleaning up fallen fruit and pet food, watering plants at the root zone rather than wetting the surface, and rotating bait locations to prevent ants from bypassing treated spots. Common mistakes include treating visible workers instead of the colony, which yields only temporary relief, so always follow trails to the nest and use baits that workers will carry back. People over-apply sprays during the day, which harms pollinators and beneficial insects, so restrict pyrethrin use to dusk and use spot treatments rather than blanket applications. Another frequent issue is creating ideal nesting habitat with thick mulch and debris. Remove or thin these materials and replace with coarser mulch or rocks near structures to keep ants from establishing colonies. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources about organic pest options so you can discuss methods and find help for implementation. Our site includes a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and learn from other gardeners and contractors.